Hello, everybody. I'm Joel.
I'm Calvin.
I'm Pam.
And this is my future wife.
And we're here. And we're queer.
Me too. I'm Sherry. I'm queer.
You gotta get up. Come
In
on.
this video, we're going to be trying a lot of weird stuff I ordered from VAT19.
And I'm the scarecrow.
Hey, y'all.
I guess we're all going to do it.
That's my wife.
This is most of
Tay.
the people we had in one video before.
No.
I'm Tanya.
So, we're going to start off small, then we're going to move up. You see there's a few of the items right up there.
So check out.
What?
What? There he is.
Okay.
All right. What are we starting with?
Oh, I ain't eating shit.
Anybody
I'm
need
just
a bag?
First, we're going to be starting off with the sour pickle ball.
Okay.
You
Now,
lost me at bowls.
Okay. I will be in that one. I'll get in on that one.
All right.
What is it?
There's four of them, so Tanya can be out on this one.
Sour pickle balls.
Sour pickle balls.
What I
Yeah.
got?
Is it a hard candy?
Ball.
Nice to pickle.
I want some balls too.
God.
Ooh.
Oh dear God in heaven.
I got
Well, we can,
goosebumps just
hey,
smelling that
listen.
shit.
They can split theirs. You and Tanya can split yours.
No, yeah, we are.
No, you cried. You get in here.
It's like eating coal.
Okay, this is what they look like. Wait, everybody, don't eat it yet. This is what they look like. They're green. They're not black. They're green. See?
Yeah, they're green.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
That's the fucking nicest thing I put in my fucking mouth. It tastes like dirt.
You put the whole thing in there? That's pretty
Give me
good.
that back.
I'm gonna take a bite. Oh God, now.
Oh God, I am.
It almost tastes like almost a real bad sour.
Oh dear
Tastes
God.
like a bowl of salt.
All of our teeth are green.
Okay.
The outside was pretty good, Tanya.
Ah,
Let
look.
me tell you guys something right now. If you put something in your mouth that
makes you
fucks the taste of your beer up, it's wrong.
And it makes you look like this. Look at this, Calvin.
Look at that.
Come here, stick your tongue out.
It wasn't
Look.
bad.
See, I'm not a lizard.
Am I the only
I'm a
thing
white boy from Georgia. This is wrong.
Yes.
And my beer don't taste good anymore.
That wasn't bad to me.
Look at this
You're
bag.
out of
And the Red Bull don't taste like Red Bull no more.
Bag.
God.
I couldn't
Oh, your
eat
teeth are all.
Look, it stained my hand.
Your tongue.
I
It
couldn't eat
stained
all
our
this.
hands.
Look at your tongue.
Oh, you're out of
So,
control.
out of a 1 out of 5, 5 being the best, 1 being the
Fucking-
worst.
I wouldn't
Minus
eat the whole
10.
ball, but the
1,
Calvin's bottom lip.
I'm gonna give it.
2, negative 10, 1
Yep.
to 5.
Never again.
Ever.
So 0,
I give it a 3.
3.
I give it a negative 4,000 because it fucked my Budweiser up.
Okay.
My Red Bull.
So should we do
Yeah.
this one next?
That was
Sure.
This right here.
you drink soda.
No, I don't do cream soda.
God damn.
It's something really cool.
Fuck!
I know. I really didn't want nobody to eat it.
Joel.
Did you eat the whole thing?
No, I split half over her.
I ate the half.
Remember, people, good vibes only.
I know.
Except for that shit ball that we just ate, right?
Yeah.
Into a DOT station. I'm definitely getting drug tested.
I'm pretty sure a week from now,
Fucking lizard.
Look like,
Gonna look like
snake
that.
plant.
I don't know if we can taste anything else after having this.
No, but
pickle.
I'm sorry, sir.
Look at that. That's fucking
Like
heavy
maybe we
too.
plant.
yes.
It bends a stick. It bends a stick.
What is it?
Okay.
It's a shirt. It's a skull.
It's a jail scowl.
It's gummy.
It's gummy, gummy.
We're gonna cut this up between us and try it. Can't use that. Give me a plate,
Is
please.
there a flavor to it?
It's great.
I don't think anybody, we're going to get our taste buds back.
I know.
I can't even get off the stick. Ooh.
Dick.
Get a knife that's got,
We're all family. We should all just take a bite.
Hanging off my nose.
Okay, as she cuts it up. God dang.
ain't no cutting into this.
Okay, so we're all just gonna take a bite out of it. We're all family, so who cares?
Corona, Corona, Corona.
When's the last
God
time I
dang.
sucked dick?
What the hell?
So Tanya gets it last.
I pulled my dentures out.
Yeah. Tanya gets a bite last. I'm gonna bite his face.
Okay, you can't buy
Why? Because I'm the one that sucks dick?
it. No. She sucks dick too. Not
Oh,
often.
she needs to go last too.
I mean, not often, but I mean.
That's why this bird's being the fucking video.
Yeah, she's got pink shirt
I'm
on.
right here. I have to
Tongue's
too.
still green though.
What is it?
And that was great. That was great flavor.
Bite it off for me.
I ain't biting it up.
Bite it off for me.
I don't want Calvin to bite it off for me.
Why? Everybody gets a bite. I'll be right back. Okay, what did everybody think of it?
That's
I don't know, I
okay.
can't.
I think that's
What?
too much.
Start
grape.
it.
I did.
Oh,
I think
It's
it's too
like a
much grape.
lollipop.
it's tough.
So maybe I'll just buy you one to have. You know?
Yeah, because I can't eat something like that.
So, should we go to cotton candy next?
Yes, cotton candy.
Hey, Taylor,
Yay, cotton candy.
choose which one you want.
Jose Rose.
So these are probably going to be actual good
Not
flavors of
big.
cotton candy, unlike the pizza one. And my lovely cousin picked them all out. So if they're not good, we have her to
It's
blame.
amazing. I bet it's
So-
amazing. I bet
wanna try that
Rose is
shit.
amazing.
This is
I know
Rose.
it too. I'm excited.
Rose.
Cotton candy.
Oh, is it champagne one?
I don't get
No.
excited unless I see titties.
I love
Oh, that's cotton
What
candy.
did you say?
nothing.
No, I know what you said.
There's no smell to it.
Joe, you can get the cotton candy
Hey.
with the champagne?
I need to watch the fridge,
Can't
everybody.
smell it.
There's no smell
Knock
to
the
it.
card off.
You can't smell it. I just like sugar.
Did y'all hear what I
That's
said?
like
No.
tequila Rose.
Need to watch the fridge with them knock the card off.
Did you say?
Oh
you didn't
God,
get-
here.
Did you say you didn't get
I
the
said
cotton?
it around.
It's not bad. Oh, keep forgetting. I want to look over here because wherever you have the camera, but the camera's over here.
What is it again?
It's rosé.
Rose.
Wine, some alcohol. It's alcohol.
Okay, I'm not rich. I don't
I
know.
prefer the liquid.
I've never had it.
That's not bad.
Okay, so everybody likes it.
The liquid.
That's
I
good.
like that.
I can't wait till we get
So
to dinner.
on a wait, you can't say that.
Okay, my bad.
So out of 1 to 5,
10.
5.
It's fucking 10.
I'm gonna say 7.5. 7.5.
okay.
That's pretty
So
good.
from what everybody's saying, we're doing champagne next.
Look at the top. Look
Yeah.
at the top.
It looks like
Mine.
cork in it.
I love that.
That's
one.
got to be a 10 right there.
Yeah, 20. I love champagne.
I don't want champagne.
Oh, I love
but
it.
it's got to
Are
be.
you gonna get over here in this thing?
I'm right here.
Okay.
And
Hey!
You put,
Hey! That's my sister.
you put orange juice in it with
Sure.
mimosa.
They have a mimosa one.
Oh, I
A
love
mimosa
mimosas.
cotton candy.
It might melt.
That says like a vanilla smell to it. God dang.
Champagne.
Yes.
Hey,
Pammy's
Pammy, get after it,
excited.
girl.
Pammy's excited.
Smells like coffee.
Hey, I thought it smelled like
coffee.
pussy. Well, you got after it in there. Put that big hunk.
Yeah, smells like vanilla.
Oh, you took my hump.
Do you taste that
man.
fizz? It fizzes in your mouth just like nothing.
That, okay. I gotta say 10 right there. That's a 10.
Yeah, we're going for seconds.
I like the pink one better.
Woo.
I like that.
I like the
that
pink one.
Hey,
I like that.
Pammy,
Huh?
I'm with you. I like pink ones.
I like pink better. Yeah.
I agree.
Okay.
Oh,
Go. 1 out of 5.
5.
20.
4.
I like the other one better though.
I like
They feel
that
pretty
The
good.
other one's a 5.
So next cotton candy is
I know.
They're fucking green.
Does anybody need a
Barely touched it.
strawberry shortcake.
Okay. I hope it does justice, because if it don't, I'm going to give it a negative.
What are you doing?
Smelling it.
Oh, you could have said something. I would have moved it up to you. God.
Pink.
Yeah, I guess what?
That's Pammy's color right there.
Pink.
You gotta try both of them though. No, you gotta try both of them. That's the whole thing.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I can't get it.
Yeah, let me get the white one.
Yeah, I don't want to finger it.
Oh.
If I finger it, I'll have to eat it all.
Yeah, I get the white.
Yeah, don't finger it.
You over here finger licking it.
I want some of the white. Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Oh, that's it.
That's the yellow, or the bottom part.
I like the pink better.
Oh, I like that. Tastes like a honeycomb.
I like the
Hey,
white.
Tastes
Joey.
like honeycomb.
Joey.
This shit's yellow, Sherry, not white.
White, yellow.
Whatever.
Joey says he likes the yellow better.
What?
If the pink better, and that's some, yeah. Some mama.
I suppose it tastes like the crust.
It's good though, right?
It's good.
It don't
1
do
out of
justice.
5.
Bottom part kind
That
of.
one's probably.
Yeah.
Pink, I give a 5. White,
That
I
one
give
I'll give
a
a
3.
3 because
Me
I
vice
expected
versa.
better.
Yes, God, yeah.
Okay. So let's move on. We're just rapping through these.
Stuck in my throat.
So,
It's Freaky Fast Friday at Taco Bell, so check it out. You better Freaky Fast right through this shit.
the next item
I'm
is
scared.
uncured bacon
I
jam.
don't remember picking that. I don't remember.
What is
that.
it?
I don't remember.
Uncured
I think you
bacon
lied. I
jam.
think you lied.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and say it right now. I'm taking out of this
No,
one.
I don't know.
I'm not trying this. I'm good.
I ain't either.
I'm
I'm gonna
good.
have to. I already said
Oh
it.
my god.
No.
What is
Oh,
that?
God.
Miss Smell? Miss Smell?
I don't want to smell.
Yep, I'm out.
No, Calvin, you can't get out
No,
now.
bullshit.
That's fucking shit
No,
in the
boy,
jar.
That
you
smells
start.
like a pussy
What
that
you-
ain't been
okay.
washed in a week.
That is shit in the jar. I'm telling you, shit in a jar.
Can I see?
I'm
Can
a
we eat it?
visual thinker. I can
sorry.
smell it, and I didn't want to.
Uncured
Exactly.
bacon,
Are we still
I got a
discussing
weak
that
stomach.
shit?
brown sugar,
I call
apple
it like
cider
it is. I'm
vinegar.
sorry. That's a nasty pussy right there. Is what that is.
Oh no.
You're supposed to be able to spread this on
Okay.
shit.
Yeah, because it is shit.
He's about to eat
Try
this
it.
shit.
Get over here, Tanya. No, you can't back out.
Come on.
You can't back out. I'm not making Calvin back out. Once you're in it, sister.
Yeah, but they're great. I'm just
Oh
gonna.
my god.
Go back.
No.
Calvin.
I ain't doing it.
Yeah, no, I forced it.
No.
Tanya. Get your old ass over here.
Nobody ever
I'm
will do that.
gonna get that bag ready. Get that bag, open that bag up. Cause I'm telling you, that
think-
smells like a nasty pussy that ain't been washed.
I think that
Okay.
is pig shit.
Okay, me and Calvin gotta do it.
I didn't give him time to
Just take a little, just barely, because that's all I did.
Pig shit.
Yeah.
Come on,
We
Calvin.
gotta do it at the same time.
If you can drive a fucking semi, you can fucking take a little bite of that.
It didn't
You ready?
hit my tongue. Don't
Love
let
you,
it hit
Calvin.
your tongue, Calvin. Don't let it hit your tongue.
Oh my god.
I tried to swing quickly, swallow it down there, taste it.
Damn you.
It's real
Yeah,
slimy.
he's like,
It's real slimy. I know you. Ah! Don't you do it.
I mean pussy.
I might even let the taste hit
They
me.
bottled your pussy up in the jar.
Why would you eat something that tastes worse?
This is the most vulgar episode of my channel.
I know.
Why would you do that?
This is not rated PG.
Oh,
He wasn't even thinking with me.
y'all making this my most vulgar.
That's actually
adult content.
I didn't let it hit my tongue.
God dang.
It was salty.
Let's, come on, let's get going.
So let's just say
It was
this.
like gravy.
Okay, before we move on, let me just say this.
I know that's not your dick
I said
next to my ass back
That's
there.
my belly.
Okay.
Because my dick ain't that big.
I didn't think so.
Oh, God. Thanks for the respect.
You're welcome.
But anyway, I said that tasted like nasty pussy. I was wrong. It was not that bad. It was a little tart.
That
At
was
first.
slimy.
It was
And then once you got into it,
I gotta pay
it's
warning at
like
the
you
beginning
couldn't
of
stop.
this video.
You just had to keep going.
Why are you eating a nanner?
Hey,
It's
you know what
slimy.
your sister asked me?
Uh-uh.
I come back
Well,
here
because
like
he was
this.
right up next to
Like
me.
this. And she's like, that's not your dick. And I'm like, no, that's my stomach.
Okay,
He said, my dick ain't that long. I said, oh.
so our next,
Is this the last one?
yes,
Oh, hallelujah.
our next and final item
Hallelujah.
is sweet tea jelly.
Jelly. Sweet tea. Southern shit.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'm down for that. Oh, I threw my fork
Do you
away.
need your mom to open it?
Hit the bottom.
Give it to me.
You gotta,
Give
you
it
gotta
to
pop
me.
it.
Give
You
it
gotta
to me.
pop it. You gotta pop it. Pop it. Calvin, you gotta pop it.
Pop that,
Pop it.
pop it like a pussy.
Smallest man in the room opens
Hear
a fucking
your
jar.
He said, pop it like a pussy.
You better put this shit like on.
You better put adult content.
I know. I'm gonna have to pit.
We're gonna be booted.
It doesn't have a smell to it.
Let me just get in there.
Oh, Pammy took a big old
Yeah, hey, Pamela,
That's
hey,
sweet
this-
tea.
Hey,
Sweet tea
I'm just gonna
jelly.
get in this.
Calvin, man, you're gonna laugh like again.
Well, hell, if I ate that last bullshit, I can eat this.
You didn't
You
even
didn't
get
eat
it.
nothing.
Look right there.
How's it taste? Does it
That'll
taste
taste like my.
Mouthful of sugar.
Really?
That's what sweet tea tastes like.
Right at the end, once you get it set on your tongue, it tastes like tea.
It's not Lipton.
It's something that you don't take a fucking
If you got diabetes,
get
don't,
it.
if you got
Spread it.
diabetes, don't do this.
spread it on something. Don't just spoon it or fork it.
This.
Yeah.
Steve Rogers dipping in the middle.
Anyway.
of the
So do you know anybody that likes this?
No, when to fold them.
Here's what's left. Of the skull.
But wait a minute.
A
Wait a
bunch
minute.
of fucking vultures back here. Bunch of vultures, but I love them all.
Thank you, producer, for informing me.
Bye, guys. Take
Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.
Deuces, bitches.